Presenting the 2007 Ford F-150 XLT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are towing package, fold-down rear seats, child-proof lock, front bucket seats, power mirrors, ABS, anti-lock braking system, and rear defroster. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.